Why, hello. Well, let's go ahead and get started in this video. Now, here I'm going to show you how to add an email into the autoresponder. Now, the tool that I'm using is called Leadleap, okay? Now, in Leadleap, we go to the Tools section. We're in the email marketing part, but we want to go to email series, okay? And Leadleap, it is called an email series. So I click on it, and then it shows me the list that I would like to send to. So I want to send to this particular list. And so I look at the number of days. These are the number of days that the emails will go out in: day 9, day 11, and so forth. So I want this next one to go out in day 20. Okay. So I go up here to where it says add new. I click on add new, and then I put in 20. Okay. Now I have a list of emails that I would like to send copied into a notepad. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy the entire email that I have here, and then I'm going to paste it. Okay, I'm going to paste it. I'm going to copy it, and then I'm going to paste it. Okay, so I did my paste. Now, so I'm going to go back up to the top here. Now, in this particular email, I have a listing of subject lines that I could use. Okay, so I'm going to delete the subject lines, delete the title subject lines, and so now I'm going to pick, let's go with this one. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. So I'm going to copy this, and then I'm going to copy, I'm going to cut, and then I'm going to paste. Okay, now I want their first name, so I'm going to use, this is the code for the first name, so I'm going to copy it, and I want the first name to appear in the subject line, and I want the first name to appear here in the email. So now what I need to do is go and delete all of the titles, delete the things that I do not want to appear. So I'm deleting this. Okay. Okay. So now let's see here. This looks correct. Okay. Okay, all of this looks correct. So now I'm going to pick one of these. Okay, let's go with this one. I'm going to cut it. I'm going to cut, hit my Control X. Okay, come here, Control V, and give all my data. So now I'm going to delete all of this because I don't need it. Now here are my URLs. Now this is the URL without it being cloaked or tracked. It is extremely important that we have a tracker with the URL. So I'm going to copy the one that lets me know how many clicks I receive and where those clicks are coming from. So I'm going to do a Control X, and then I'm going to put this here. I'm going to, okay, do this, put that there. All right, then I'm going to go back to my email. I need to get a title right quick. So I'm going to multiple streams, multiple paths. Let's see. More freedom. Okay, here we go. I'm going to go with this one right here. Copy. We'll place that there. And then I'm going to cut this and put this at the beginning. Okay, I said okay. Now, I would like to add an image. Okay, something happened here. I'm not sure what happened. But I'm going to delete that. And I'm going to go here. I want to add an image. So I'm going to click on image. Okay, it's actually in the gallery, so I need to click on gallery. And this is the image that I want here, so I'm going to tell it okay. Now, so I need to go back and get that call to action. I'm not sure what happened to the call to action, but I need to go back here and get this. This is my call to action. I'm going to copy, and then I'm going to put that there for my call to action. All right. I'm going to bold it. All right. So now I need to get the URL. So I'm going to go back here. I'm going to copy this. I don't want to cut it. I'm going to copy it. Because if I cut it here, it won't no longer be in the notepad. So I've highlighted. So I'm going to tell it, okay, this is the text, this is the URL I want there. And now I need to grab a let's go with this one here. Copy, and I'll put that there. Okay, now it's saved there. So now I need to I want to make this I want to make this image clickable. So I'm going to go here and I want to gather the URL, the one that is cloaked. So I'm going to go here and then I'm going to tell it to do this right here. Put the link there. And then I need to give it a title. Let's click on this one here. It may be too long, but we're going to find out. Let's go. It's easier than you think. Let's go with this one. Copy. Title. Okay, bang. Okay, so I have this email. Let me okay, now I need to preview text. I need to tell it, I need to pick a section of this that I would like to, let's go with this one here. It may be too long, but it's okay. Okay, so let's go with this one. Let's go with this first line here. I'm going to tell it to copy. And I'll put this right there. Okay. I'm going to have to give it an action before I save it. Okay, so now let's check to make sure everything looks okay before we give a final approval. So we go up. Okay. It looks like everything is okay. Everything is okay. Let me take out this blank space here. Okay, so everything is good. So now I'm going to tell it to save. Okay, so I have saved it. Okay, this is the confirmation. It says the email is active. And this is the email that I will send. This is what it will look like. Okay. This is the desktop version, and this is what it will look like on a mobile device. Okay. So I hit close, and bang! There we go. Let's see here. It's day 20. So this is the email that we set up for day 20. Now, I would like to remind everyone that success leaves clues. It is extremely important that you have no 0 days. Very, very, very important, no 0 days. And my team and I, we're all believing that we will live to be at least 130 years of age in good health, climbing up a new mountain. And I trust that you will believe the same thing for you and your family members. Take care and catch you later.